Alright, hi everyone. So welcome back to another unboxing video on unboxing Zamio Kulkas Zamifolia. So let's begin to unbox this. This is from the Thailand. The parcel very small, so I'm gonna put the phones here. Right, so I'll be opening this box. It is very small and cutie. Can't wait to open this. What's inside the box? Wow. So here we go, our variegated black Zamio Kulkas pink variegated. I'm gonna open this. Yeah, that's a pretty little guys. The variegations behind the leaves also looks nice. This is the size of the leaves, a single leaf. So I'm gonna open this. This must be done very carefully. Yeah, and here, and then should be open like this. Yes, and here you go. How the plants looks like inside fertilizer. And yeah, can we check for the roots first? I don't think it's rooted. Yes, it's rooted. It's rooted. And yeah, this is affordable with a cheap price. It started to grow the bulbs on it.